Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Efficiently appending elements to NumPy empty arrays. Appending elements to NumPy arrays, especially within loops, can be a performance bottleneck if not handled correctly. While NumPy provides functions like np.append, repeatedly using them to grow an array incrementally can be inefficient due to the underlying memory allocation and copying involved. This tutorial explores the reasons for this inefficiency and presents several strategies for efficiently appending elements to NumPy arrays, starting from an empty array. Understanding the problem, why np.append is often inefficient. NumPy arrays are designed for efficient numerical operations because they are stored in contiguous blocks of memory. This contiguity allows for fast vectorized operations. However, this also means